This is the van we like. This is the daily B52 or B62 even Endeavour, and we're having a good look at it. It's a lovely van. It's got everything we need. Yeah, lots of electric points. We've got an electric point there for the TV, and we've got, is it electric points or USBs there on the back, Paula? The USBs or electrics on the back? Anyway, electrics. It's got a three ring, good size cooker there. A nice sized sink unit which actually fits a proper bowl. Oh, can you open that cupboard there, Paula? Let's see what if this. Yeah, there's a drawer there for your cutlery. Plenty of room there, and underneath there's a cupboard for your
little space underneath as well.
Your pans.
Into this one.
Space for pans. There we go. Lots of space. Lots of covered spaces, as you can see, and you can see out everywhere is nice. You know, it's not sort of boxed in. Yeah. And it's got the tamper doors for the bathroom. Do you want to open the bathroom? Tamper doors for the bathroom.
Just push them round.
So there we go. There's your toilet unit and sink. It's only a small sink. Then you've got your shower unit which plugs into the sink, I guess. It comes out underneath. Plenty of storage in the bathroom as well.
Well, the tap comes off, look.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's right. Sorry. Yeah, of course, I didn't notice that. Yeah, so it's a sink tap come shower head. We got nice size infotainment system, as they call them these days. Bright.
Like a lamp,
like a sunroof. Oh yeah, reading lamp, isn't it? It's your map lamp.
Oh, there it is.
Automatic gearbox on this one has got a sort of paddle, a gear stick sort of thing. I've seen some of them in the motorhome show, which has just a push button. I'd rather the actual gear stick.
On that side as well.
Even though you're not changing gear.
People like that side.
Oh yeah.
I don't know whether these are extras.
Storage up top.
Little hooks behind you as well.
And then here's your van controls, your Truma heating, and your what else? The sort of lights and everything. Oh, your water controls up there. Your fire alarm, your CO2 detector. All in all, this is a lovely van.
So big, it's loads of room.
Look at that side.
Isn't it?
Look at that. That's lovely.